Laughter is a powerful tool in forging connections, especially when it comes to charming a woman you admire. Mastering the art of making her laugh effortlessly involves a combination of authentic communication, sincerity, and a touch of humor. In this article, we'll explore 10 tips to infuse genuine laughter into your interactions, creating memorable moments that go beyond mere amusement. 1. Understand her sense of humor. Before attempting to make her laugh, take note of her preferred style of humor. Whether she enjoys wit, sarcasm, or light-hearted banter, understanding her sense of humor lays the groundwork for successful and effortless laughter. 2. Engage in light teasing. Playful teasing, done with respect and a genuine smile, can be a fantastic way to evoke laughter. Keep it light-hearted and ensure it aligns with the comfort level of your relationship. 3. Share amusing anecdotes. Storytelling is a powerful tool. Share amusing anecdotes from your own experiences, ensuring they are relatable and presented in a way that invites her to share her own funny stories. 4. Embrace spontaneity. Allow room for spontaneous moments of humor. A witty remark or a playful gesture that arises naturally in the conversation can often result in the most genuine and infectious laughter. 5. Use observational humor. Pointing out humorous observations about your surroundings or situations you both find yourselves in can be a subtle yet effective way to generate shared laughter. 6. Be playfully self-deprecating. Lightly poking fun at yourself in a good-natured way can be endearing. It shows humility and invites her to join in on the humor without any discomfort. 7. Utilize gentle humor. Avoid jokes that may be offensive or too intense. Stick to gentle humor that uplifts the mood without causing discomfort or awkwardness. 8. Incorporate clever wordplay. Clever wordplay and puns, when used sparingly and in the right context, can add a touch of cleverness to your conversations, sparking laughter in the process. 9. Create inside jokes. Shared experiences create inside jokes. Referencing these moments in a playful manner not only brings back fond memories, but also fosters a unique and personalized form of humor. 10. Know when to pause. Timing is key in humor. Knowing when to pause, allowing her to absorb the humor and respond, enhances the natural flow of laughter in your interactions. Conclusion. Mastering the art of making a woman laugh effortlessly involves a blend of understanding, spontaneity, and the ability to navigate various forms of humor. By incorporating these 10 tips into your interactions, you'll find yourself creating a delightful atmosphere where laughter flows naturally, deepening the connection between you and the woman you admire. Remember, genuine laughter is a shared joy that transcends mere amusement, forming a foundation for a more profound connection. Hey friends, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Greetings!